Well, hello, my fellow modelers. So I wanted to go over this one real quick. This is the next restoration I'm going to do. Did a little short story on this one, and almost like it was a vice grip garage. You know, they're taking it from a field, restoring it. There'll be another version of that once I get this farther along, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm working with here. So this is the Shelby 66 Mustang GT350 from Monogram. Here's the box. So this thing is, you know, cool stock even. But I say we take it to the next level. So this is a really interesting one. So I've already stripped it. You can see in my other video, this probably had 4 or 5 coats of paint. I mean, it was a lot. And some of it came off, you know, most of it came off. There's still some issues down in here. What's interesting though is somebody had already modified, almost be basically what I want to do, which is a Trans Am series look to it. They added this little spoiler on the front. They added a roll bar, which looks like it may have been out of sprue with the way the little corners are here right there. And then they probably spliced it right there, and that's why they have tape. And this little tape is, I think it's just Scotch tape. It's supposed to be the padding. Kind of cool. So yeah, so then they brought this. It's actually a pretty good idea. I kind of like how they did this. You know, not necessarily realistic, but it's an interesting way to do it. And then that used to sit right here. But you can also see how this is, I believe it's cardboard, and they made a little piece here, and that was to cover up the back seat. So they were definitely making this into a race car already. So we're just going to finish it. So that's it. So please watch that other video. I think you'll get a little better perspective on it of what I was starting with. Not sure where the heck the hood went, but hopefully I have it still. Yeah, but it's actually in pretty good condition. Somebody did a great job building it. It just kind of fell to the wayside, and I think they just got too much paint on it. There used to be that they painted on by hand, or actually not. I'm sorry, not by hand, but you know they used tape, but the tape kind of bled through. There she is. You'll see her coming up here pretty soon. I'm gonna paint it. I think I'm gonna go with the yellow again. I kind of like that yellow one that's on it. So stay tuned, and I will have more coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.